Namaste. My name is Rui Simra. I'm International Meditation Master. Today I want to explain why is 108 a sacred number. And even I will tell you, without 108, life is not possible on our earth. And this 108 comes from the Hindu religion, and you see how awesome was the wisdom thousands of years ago. And until today, we cannot grasp their wisdom. Okay. And the first thing, why we see the moon with the same size like the sun. And here is the wisdom. If we divide the distance moon from Earth through the diameter of the moon, we're getting 108. If we do the same for the sun, okay, distance sun from the Earth divided through diameter of the sun, get 108. So this is not exactly the same because we have an ellipse, but if the average of the ellipse is the number 108. So, and now comes it's so beyond our thinking. Only if we find the same ratio of 108 for the moon and sun to the earth, then life is possible for us. I will prove that. If we agree that without the sun, life is not possible. Okay. If the sun is much closer or much farther away from the earth, life is for us not possible, so the number 108 is crucial. Okay. Without the moon and the ratio of 108, life is not possible for us. Why is the moon important for us? Okay. The moon needs 28 days to orbit around the earth. Yes. And the women have also a cycle of 28 days. Then the birth is 10 times of the reproductive cycle. And a birth of dogs and cats is 28 multiplied with 2. Okay, 56 days. The cow is the same like humans. Without the moon, there is no reproduction or interest in mating. The same is true for plants. If we plant the plants with a rising moon, the harvest will be much more or even possible. And if you want to plant herbs and you don't do this with a rising moon, no chances. Through the moon, the earth sustains an angel with spinning around, and so that we have the 4 seasons. Okay. Otherwise, we don't have the 4 seasons. Otherwise, we have all the time the same season. Okay. For instance, the Mercury or Venus has no moon, so they spin around with 0 grad or with 180 degrees. This means for the Venus, 180 degrees, that's actually, that they have no season. No? Okay, then they have 180 days all the time darkness. The other time with Mars, they don't have any season at all. Okay. So if the moon comes 10% closer, we would have tsunamis everywhere, and that would destroy the life on our planet. If the moon distance is 10% more from the Earth would start to wobble and become unstable when spinning. The pole ice would go to the equator, melt and destroy so the life on our Earth. Okay. The Mars has 2 moons and the ratio is not 108, so the Mars is wobbling. The Mars axial tilt is not regulated, so life not possible. This I could even understand 2,000 years ago, and until today they cannot understand it. Okay. If we look for another word, we will be not successful when it doesn't have the ratio of 108. So we should stop destroying our world and should make peace. No? Then 108 is also a magical number for the mathematics. Okay, 1 exponent 1 multiplies with 2 exponent 2 and multiplied with 3 exponent 3 is 108. The Fibonacci golden rate is 2 times sinus from 108 through 2, divided through 2 is 1.618. Or 108, what is it? Is 9 times the 12, and 9 is also a divine number like 12. We have, for instance, 9 planets for the astrology, and regardless how we multiply the 9, we get always the results of the digit sum 9. Okay, for instance, 9 times 9 multiplies with 9 is 81, and so on. 9 multiplied with 12 is 108, and so on. If a circle has 360 degrees, 9. A triangle has 180 degrees, 9. A rectangle has 360 degrees, guess this is also 9. Now comes it. A pentagon has 540 degrees, and every angle is 108 degrees. So the 12 is even more magical. Okay, we have here 24, this means 2 times 12, 12 nodes, and so on, 12 months. Okay. So thank you that I could speak about this, and bye.